Hello! In this video we will see two examples on how to rationalize a denominator using conjugates. Before we start, let's talk about conjugates. When we talk about conjugates in math, we refer to binomials. So if we have a binomial, a plus b, then the conjugate is also a binomial that has the same terms a and b, but the opposite sign in the middle, that is a minus b. So conjugates are binomials that involve the sum and the difference of the same terms. The conjugate of a plus b is a minus b, and the conjugate of a minus b is a plus b. If we multiply these two conjugates, we will get a squared minus b squared. Now, we can also have conjugates that involve square roots. For example, let's say we have square root of a plus square root of b. The conjugate is square root of a minus square root of b. Now, if we multiply them, then according to the formula above, we will have square root of a squared minus square root of b squared. Then square root of a squared is a, and square root of b squared is b. So if we multiply square root of a plus square root of b by its conjugate, we will get a minus b. So notice that if we multiply a radical expression by its conjugate, we eliminate the radicals. Now, the first expression we have here is 4 over square root of 5 plus 2. In this expression, if we multiply the denominator by its conjugate, which is square root of 5 minus 2, then we will eliminate the radical. And in a fraction, if we multiply the denominator by a number, we have to multiply the numerator by the same number. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by square root of 5 minus 2, which is the conjugate of square root of 5 plus 2. Then in the numerator, if we distribute, we will have 4 square root of 5, and then 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. In the denominator, we will have square root of 5 squared minus 2 squared. Then in the numerator, we will still have 4 square root of 5 minus 8, and in the denominator, square root of 5 squared is 5, and 2 squared is 4. Then because 5 minus 4 is 1, the result will be 4 square root of 5 minus 8. Now the second example is square root of 5 over 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 6. To rationalize this denominator, we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 2 square root of 3 plus square root of 6. So here we have it, and now in the numerator we will distribute square root of 5. When we multiply square root of 5 times 2 square root of 3, we will get 2 square root of 15, because 5 times 3 is 15. So again, we will have 2 and then square root of 15. Then square root of 5 times square root of 6 is square root of 30. So we will add square root of 30. In the denominator, first we will raise 2 square root of 3 to the second power minus square root of 6 to the second power. Then we will keep the numerator the same, 2 square root of 15 plus square root of 30. Then in the denominator, 2 to the second power is 4, square root of 3 to the second power is 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. Then square root of 6 to the second power is 6. So we will subtract 6. Then we will have 2 square root of 15 plus square root of 30 over 6. And here we have the 2 examples where we rationalized the denominator using conjugates. Thank you for watching.